Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Javon Pinnock, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs, and that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. So, you know, the truth, the truth they don't want you to know, Mota Baruka, corruption in Kingston 12 and the exploitation of the poor. So as we continue our journey into part 8 of this exclusive 10-part series, sitting down with a former police officer who once patrolled the turbulent streets of Kingston, and him have connection with the parish of Clarendon and Manchester. We are about to uncover truths that have been kept from the public for far too long. This installment digs beneath the surface to expose a side of some of Jamaica's most celebrated figure and corrupt local governments officials, who have betrayed the trust of the very people they swore to serve. So Mota Baruka the Rastaman, the system celebrates, but should the people? So Mota Baruka is a known celebrity across the world, Rasta celebrity, as a radical thinker. That's how them used to have him, dub poet, social critic, self-proclaimed voice of the people, in which Mota Baruka is one of the biggest. They call him a frothy mouth Rasta, because you understand, as ugly some say, Mota is a suckatan. You understand what I'm saying? So you understand. So Mota Baruka is a PMP, criminal organization supporter. Them man don't believe in the rule of law. Them man they always take side with the criminals, and them always beat the police. Yeah, so you're going to hear some things about with Mota Baruka and your favorite Rastaman named Damian Crawford. And you're going to hear about our, councillor, yeah man, from Jonestown. So according to our sources, yes, many Jamaicans see Muta Baruch as a revolutionary Rastaman who speaks truth to power. But I beg to differ, because Muta Baruch is one of the biggest liar and hypocrite. Muta Baruch is a political activist and raider. Muta Baruch do not defend when it comes to truth, rights and justice. Or else he would educate the people them and tell them that Mark gonna be your goal, and he's not a Jamaican, he's a man who was born in England, but I'm afraid because you don't know that's where I get all them little tokens from. Because remember his boss Cabo, that are Andrea Williams, yeah, she had more PMP than Muta Baruch, you understand? So I don't see the man that's not revolutionary. You learn things on him by listening to him, but he's not one of the way it's supposed to take your cue from. So I can't oversource this former policeman who spent years in the inner trenches of Kingston 12. Muta Baruch influence has not been, always been a force of good, particularly when it comes to his own words of help to romanticize anti-establishment rhetoric without offering any real solutions to the very communities he claimed to represent. So the officer, recall how many young men in the areas like Jonestown, Concrete Jungle took Muta Baruch's words at face value, his critique of Babylon, his rejection of Western system, and his glorification of African spirituality and rebellion as a license to reject all form of discipline, order, and responsibility. The result, entire generation grew up believing that the system was evil, but without any structured ideology to build something better. Muta Baruch has never, held public office, nor has he organized sustainable programs for youth rehabilitation, employment, or education in these volatile era. Yet he is treated by many as a prophet. But prophets are known for their vision and leadership, not just for poetic outrage. So the question must be asked, as Muta Baruch influence has helped liberate the people of Kingston 12? So he used to live in our community where we come from, at Jonestown. Or as it helped leave them stuck in a cycle of rebellion without progress. So the real criminals in the system, corruption in local governance, while Muta Baruch rhetoric may be symbolic, the real and tangible damage to the people of Kingston 12 is being done by those elected to serve. In this series, we continue to expose the Councillor of Jonestown and Concrete Jungle Division, whose betrayal of the people is as brazen as it is shameful. Selling farm work tickets for $100,000 farm work program have long been a gateway for many Jamaicans to earn a decent wage abroad and uplift their families, communities, and self, These programs were designed to help low-income individuals. They go far and work with peanuts, but although they work for peanuts, see how much money they go cut cane or pick apple or whatever, them get a little money and it come back and it have value at Jamaica. You understand? Offering them access to seasonal job in North America without burdening them with exorbitant costs. But in Kingston 12, the current councillor has turned hope into hustle, allegedly selling farm work tickets to desperate residents for as much as $100,000 per person. People are mortgaging what little they are borrowing from family and family members and falling into debt just for a chance at opportunity. So when you buy the ticket, it say you must get through, for the physical. So when these tickets should be distributed based on need, merit and fairness, not bribes. But this is the kind of corruption. Is not just unethical, it's economic exploitation of the poor by those who are supposed to protect them, profiting from the pain, selling hurricane relief material. It doesn't stop there. After every major hurricane, aid is sent to Jamaica in the form of relief materials, tarpaulin, zinc, sheet, mattress, food items and more, meant to help struggling families rebuild their lives. These supplies are donated by government, NGOs and charities with the intention of being distributed freely. But according to this whistleblower officer, the same councillor has been hoarding and selling these materials and charging residents inflated prices for things they should have been receiving at no cost. This I see in PMP where I tell people say them love the poor. Them get the thing for give people them free and she sell them. So imagine losing your roof in a storm, a hurricane, and being told by your own elected representative that you will need to pay to get a piece of it back. This is not just corruption, it's spiritual wickedness in high places. So the common thread, manipulation, silence and suffering. Whether it is celebrated public figure like Muta Baroka whose message are embraced without being challenged, or a corrupt politician exploiting the desperation of the people, the common thread is silence and manipulation. The silence of those who know the truth but are afraid to speak. The manipulation of the poor who are forced to choose between loyalty and survival. The suffering of communities that are always promised better but are consistently left behind. The way forward, accountability and awakening. This series is not about personal vendettas. It's about justice, transparency and truth. Jamaica cannot heal if it continues to celebrate half-truths and protect the corrupt. We must ask hard questions. Why do we revere cultural figures who have never built anything tangible for the people? Why do we elect politicians who exploit disaster and desperation? Why do we stay silent when our neighbors are being robbed by the very system that is supposed to serve them? The residents of Kingston 12 deserve better. Jonestown and Jungle deserve better. Jamaica deserve better. So, you know, this is part 8. You watch, you listen, and you decide. God, I'm free.
Mr. Golding, this I say some things to you have it in a power. Yeah. But you don't care to me, you know.
Don't know.
You don't love no Jamaican people you sing there.
Alright, thank you.
It's
thank
power
you.
I want.
Thank you.
Them power crazy.
Thank you.
Because me hearing come out and talk about the Federation, man. Yo, they talk about this Federation X-man there.
Yep.
And they said no party leader never come out and why you politicize the police force, Bridget? When we talk about looking to with this boy.
Yeah, man, Ruan James. Then they destroy them. Remember, alright. Our Ruan James should have lose the work from 2011.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm going to campaign. Alright. So that for sure say PMP is a criminal organization. And you notice, who never talk about it either.
Sure.
Alright. So you see? But when you educate the people them thing, them 80 and them thing. But hey, like you see, like for me and them thing, me no care ZELLE. Me I go tell you, say some things, you know, me give credence, you know, you understand? But
yes.
Me know the real problem for fix the country, and with the little boy them we have fire gun, they are not the problem. I 63 people in a parliament.
No.
You understand? And that's the problem still, you know. Murder used to be murder, you know. PMP mash up Jamaica, you know. Me I tell you, you know. Murder used to be murder. A man about, a man forget. The boy when him Danville Palmer, Mark Golding, I parole him the pan for murder, you know. You ever hear nothing like that yet?
That I want down a jungle.
Yeah, and him get shot and him thing there, where them kill him girlfriend. Them kill her.
Where them kill him girlfriend? Recently?
He up on the channel, man.
Oh,
and the girl mother now, she a councilor at Jonestown, you know. She live at Benbow Street, you know. And look here, I sell she at Jonestown, you know. I sell all farmer ticket, you know. So you see people them at jungle and Jonestown, you know. 400 grand, you know. Cause say Mark Golding say some man forget some Dan forget apartheid money. And them say they love poor people. Them are sell the same people them in a community farmer ticket.
In a same poor people.
You don't know them the people them man. A scavenger them man.
Mark Golding say some Dan forget money all the time.
Yeah, you understand. So if you not give them the money, you never get the farmer ticket.
Hey, you know we don't say PNP dangerous. Hey, when the man them create a story and the man them at least we just feel this thing when this girl beat Peter Bunting. The man then talk to the premise that they were the woman.
Yeah, man.
Gonna breed. But I'm gonna pop again.
Hey, them wicked. Hey, but look here.
The man can become tell a lie till it become truth.
No man, I saw them. You don't know them the people, Virgin. A PMP community, me know them, you know. So that's why I tell you, say me know them operate, you know. Hey, look here. When me a police, you know. a 40 people give statement against me out of one shooting in the middle. That are 2 weeks before Sprat dead, you know. So that's why that anger that was there, I ox them go store it up when they kill Sprat. You understand? Yeah, that's 2 weeks before Sprat dead, me involved in a shooting near to which part Sprat control. Or the 33 and 35 lane. A 40 people give statement against me, you know, say the boy, you know, when me knock, you know. Say him never have nothing on them thing there, and I mean, yeah. So literally, you know, me don't know this boy for other men, and I mean, you understand what I'm saying? And a 40 people give statement, 40. And I look at how many charge now. Them time them at commissioner of police, you know. You see man life, you see man where the other boy, all of the wound them where the boy get. I that the boy there in a handcuff when he wanted for 2 murder, you know. I that the boy they save me for no charge, you know. That the boy, a boy wanted for 2 counts of murder, you know. Him with handcuff, you know, give statement, you know, and talk what me, you know. One statement against 40 people. How you think one statement stand up against 40 people? Because the one statement is the victim of what happened. You understand? You understand? So I some wicked, you know them people, them man. 40 people, imagine you. So hey, if all the other boy did in your all house, if all house in dead man, me that a prison to the day.
No shit.
You understand? You don't know them people are wicked, man. Hey, when Daryl Vaz, when Daryl Vaz, all of a sudden, you know, Daryl Vaz and Bigger Ford a big friend, you know. Hey, one thing with Bigger Ford come like war, you know. I just money them man deal, you know. Them man they are corrosive, you know.
Yeah, man.
Although them, everybody knows the Bigger Ford a PMPLM thing there. And the police, you know, I just in the last and them thing there, man. Him start lock up thief in police and them thing there. Man, I say wait, how Bigger Ford for do that animal thief?
Animal thief.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But one thing still, apart from, me not nothing against him still per se, you know, but it's just that them man just, me not like, you know, suppose that police and you're a criminal and them thing, but I just saw him roll on them thing, you know, you understand? You know, see it. But me and him never have nothing on them thing, them man know me and me know him and them thing, you understand? You know, see it.
So, you get a visa man from Mandela.
Oh, Ford?
Visa man, some before I got torn, Mr. Why? If anything, I carry around package before, and if anything,
which visa man that?
I'm popular man, no, I'm Caliban. So he said, Ford, if he come drive the vehicle. I'm afraid that if them take him into custody, me can drive the vehicle go back down.
Yeah.
But eventually then go so. And for them normalize some things in our police force. So, as a young police, go and afford them. They say, Cuckoo. I want to say that Texas name.
Cornwall
and them man.
You mean a Kenneth, you know?
I was called Kenneth.
You come from St. Thomas.
Okay.
And Jericho's in here and all them things there. All the man do all them things there, Rasta.
No, Jericho.
No, but me don't know. But me man, some things, them things, but me just clear out my stay. Me a old fashioned man and them things. Them things never. Me no see all a man have a plastic bag over head and all them things there, and them clothes are wet up and. All them can't get. I'm no money. I go see me blow my ears. Me not go put on a tattoo on my skin. Cause you understand what I'm saying? Cause I've got the one mural for me. Got to do that. Yeah, I know fashion. I've dumb. Because hey, look here. I saw it going on your skin in a largest organ, you know. So once you disrupt it, you know, anything when you put in the Senate, that's why people have tattoo, you know, that they don't allow them to give blood.
Yes, guys.
But right now, see them and say, boy, a rear admiral can't give blood. Me don't want the blood. me don't want the blood, Rasta.
So you know, see one time when you would start make money, man start make money, saying come down here, man put on a wig. Just like Elvis Presley. You know what? Sunshine sitting where a woman put on her chest.
Yeah.
The man have that and a jacket and everything. I can't believe it. I'm telling you, this is money can't make a man get respect. I'm my money and the man, they must say, a batty man, that's in everything. In which, I'm a virgin still.
Them say my rear admiral. When I use them rear, they still doing it. Them say my rear admiral.
Yeah, they say my rear admiral because of that. Me say, boy,
So, me not real admiral if you are a lie.
eh?
You must real admiral or a lie.
He's a lie, virgin, but all in dress.
I just saw him dress on it. Yeah, I true. Hey, still in it. I'm for real, man. You have so, hey, and look here. If you notice, all of the man them were bore them ears. Most of them. You notice them behave kind of feminine.
Yes.
And the man them plait up them ear too. You ever notice it?
Nose, Bridget.
Boy, me I tell you, yeah. All the part, the bug of the mind, the part there. When me say,
man say Tupac.
No man, Tupac a real admiral, man. You a real admiral, man. Stop right there. Pause this video and subscribe now to United We Win, Divided We Lose. This channel exposes the enemies of global democracy, led by the US, now under threat from a South African billionaire named Elon Musk, Peter Thiel and others, manipulating the world. Subscribe now. Subscribe to the channel. Those who know the truth but stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. Speak up or be complicit. As we says, those who know the truth and stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. So moving on to today's video. What's going on them thing there? Black people make excuse to people because them like them. Yeah, it's just like how Buju Banton and them thing there with the coke business. A man say him bun. I look for all Muta Baruka and them man say them bun cokies. And the man they defend Buju Banton big time. So you have to wonder which part for them morals there and them thing there.
Oh, like Muta.
Yeah, Muta Baruka and a Rasta. Them man they are dread.
Hey, Jesse Gender, they tell me say Muta woman are the biggest lesbian. She a lie, I tell Jesse. I will tell you.
That before him dead. That before Jesse Gender dead.
Yeah, man, Jesse boy, man. Jesse tell me.
I will kill him.
He had a tumor in a back eye socket. Yeah.
And he never did know.
He know. So here I know Jesse don't want cut his ear to do the surgery. Cause them tell Jesse we have to go cut off the crown. No, Rasta can't cut in crown. So Rasta Jesse was a bright boy, but at the same time I don't see a bright man make that decision.
No, so you have to understand a theme philosophy that you know. You understand? A theme belief that kind of Rasta and them thing there, so I just saw it go. You have to respect him for that.
Them go cut the thing from a different angle and the tumor leak out the liquid in his socket and the eye and cause it to blind. Because in there is 20% in my show. 20, you know what last year.
In say 20%?
It's 20% out of his eye at the time. Till one at time he not see nothing. And get young baby in a bridge, not twin age. This is a 1 year old daughter. I see that daughter.
Time was in the M60s, man.
I mean, not quite, but yeah, 50s. Not a few 60s.
So you're in a bridge and them thing there?
Yes, man, I'm in a bridge.
So you got him funeral and them thing there?
No, we never go.
So you say, him never like Muta still doing it, you know what?
No, man, you like Muta. So.
Yeah, man. Him say Muta used to suck on them thing there, you know that though?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you know, them in the ear, man, him say Muta a suck at them thing there. And say the one who say, you never know, say, him say, say Muta, say you know, say Muta no like thing there, what boy I name, Damian Crawford. And you know, say Jesse Gender say, because I two the two of them a fight over, Rex Netherford. you know.
So Muta so that just say. Never hear me now.
Yeah, man. Him say. Damian Crawford one day. Damian Crawford catch Muta Baruka and Rex Netherford a dance up on you.
Damian Crawford catch
Muta Baruka. Say yeah, man. Say Muta Baruka dance and Rex Netherford. I saw the two of them like because when Rex Netherford did, you know, a Damian Crawford, I drive him Benz, you know, and I know a Muta, you know. So, yeah, man, I say.
I never see Damian with no woman, I'm never young talking.
I'm a young baby, sincere, man. Yeah. You don't know them have to fight it and them thing there. You understand? Yeah, man. Just, man, say Muta, man, say, say Muta and, and Rex never for the dance.
I same thing, man, is just about Paul. Me frighten me, say, man, a young baby in already.
No, man, no, between me and you, when I not want to believe it, them man they a big real man. Them me not see picture with the man and me not see picture with the man and little boy in a bed, man. That a before them kill a girl. And that's why him kill a girl, cause a girl in a leak the thing them. You know see Francie dead, you know see nothing more come out and you know you're nothing about it again.
Jesus.
Yeah, man, that's why he make them kill her. That's why him cause a girl right there in the Navy, you know. Leo there, you know. She a sponge, you know. So yeah, man, him get her to do it, man. Hey, the man, they're smart, you know, man. Get the woman to kill the woman, man, and the baby.
So listen what I say to you, man. And they not calling him, they can't call him.
Oh, and him appear a liar for you, make she get food 3 times per day. And look here, you know, say ugly some them know a Mark Gold in them not like him though, you know, so they don't like Paul well though. Yeah, man. So what? Hey, at them, hey, you know, say people them are.
Yes, yeah.
But yet,
this thing kind of have too much pressure upon him.
Yeah, but yet, you know, you didn't say that about Giles and Sylvia. Cause him in a party see me, you know, Sylvia, right now.
Yeah.
And them not kick him out, and I murder him charge. I murder him charges, you know, man. Yeah, man, Philip Paolo, that big rear admiral, man. Now play with them, man, man. The man, put the body up in a ear and fling it, man. The amount of time the man, they stab it before that drop. Especially the little boy and them thing. I see big man in a white brief with the little boy them in a bed. And I say, wow.
But I know that man, I would just
yeah, I thought with Rex Netherford.
A motor.
Yeah, man. Hey, them say when them dead in a motor, say you bitch, yo. When Jesse dead, motor say you bitch, yo. Yeah, so him say, yeah, man.
Oh God.
Hey, sometimes someone, you know, said something impromptu, you know, because I saw something in them brain, you know. So when him hear say the man, when him hear say the man dead, he said, boy, I'm sorry for you. Him say, oh, that bitch.
I mean, you say, well, that Jesse brother died since weeks, you know, the doctor one. No, saying come out a good breed of family.
Up at same place up on New York there?
No, man, Jamaica.
What kill him?
There. I don't know, I'm say, I don't know if it's true, I don't know. They say drop out.
Wow.
So in a weekend, yeah.
No Portland them come from?
No, man, down a race course, man.
A Clarendon, okay.
Yes, man, down a race course, down a Hayesfield.
Oh, okay.
Right, that's all.
Boy, the man.
They go know the family.
Boy, him did have a malignant brain to you, man. A long time, him in a backlit. So, how much you him done left?
Oh, Jesse? I won't even know the exact, but we know about the young baby.
Hey, one thing, man, he never ramful bonfire upon motor. I don't know what our motor doing still doing, you know.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Our motor doing?
But I don't know, you know, he's a man who just come up with some things more than a year and listen and say, what is it, Jesse? You must say, come here on the phone for hours, you know.
Oh, you know him good.
Yeah, he must say, you know, more we go to Jamaica, go up in a security firm.
He want to open a security firm down there?
Yes, there's a Jamaica. And I said, Muta, you know, say a good idea because he's a PR man. The thing will take off, you know. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but me don't know, this is, you know, happen since everyone got Jamaica up in a security firm.
So in Berry, up in Berry?
Yes, up in there.
In the talented still, you know?
Yeah, man, since we did in girlfriends in our record, could give me first meal that trip.
What Jesse do?
Yeah.
The man in a real Rasta still do, you know. Jesse Gender.
Yeah,
man say, boy, Jesse Gender say Muta a dance with Rex Netherford and him say, yeah, man. And say, I saw Muta like Damian Crawford, because Damian Crawford come catch him. So I say, I compete for Netherford. And time I say Muta wife, Muta a big sucker thing.
Yes, man, he said Muta wife is a big lesbian virgin, a biggest lesbian in Kingston. And he said Jesse Muta call him and said, Jesse, oh, may I have brother? And I said, no, nothing, King. And I said, we have them thing that about my wife. Yeah, so me here, brother. How can you tell me?
So Muta say nothing more.
Muta, no man, Muta said nothing but super dog. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, remember people are fire for Muta, man. Yeah, sir. And I want to with him still learning, just talk it as it is, you know.
Yeah, man, straightforward.
You understand? I just said, hey, look here, life, you can't stay so no stiff about life and them thing. You have to have like a fun, you know what I'm saying?
Not true, man.
You understand?
I must say the man I'll carry, it's in carry a pound of wheat, go get PG and him say, PG, take it and give Delano Franklin. Say, not tell me, say we have to Virgin. He say, yeah, man, we can't go up there and him say, like you say, PG say, no.
PG smoke weed, you know?
Yeah, but he never take it at the time. But
But we have come to the end of part 8 in this eye-opening 10-part series. Today we peel back the mass and so called cultural icon and corrupt officials, you know, political figures, exposing the betrayal, exploitation and manipulation of the very people they claim to defend and represent, from the hollow influence of Muta Baruka to the unethical actions of the Kingston 12 councillor, preying on the desperation of our community. What we uncover today is just a fraction of the rat hiding in plain sight. But the journey isn't over. Part 9 will be released at the same time tomorrow, and trust me, it's going to go even deeper. We will be naming more names, following the money trail and revealing more truths that Jamaica needs to confront, no matter how uncomfortable they are. Tell a friend to bring a neighbor and prepare yourself, because the truth doesn't just set you free, it's all the guilty accountable. So stay tuned and have a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.